Bethany and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be setting up December in my 8.5 by 11 Plum Paper hourly planner. So that includes the highlights page and then also moving into the monthly. Just gonna get the stickers down. I thought I would share that process with you. And I don't know, I might write in some things. We'll see how much time I've got here. So I do want to share that with you. I've been short on time lately. I will say that I haven't had as much time for shooting videos lately as I would like, but I did want to share this one. So what I'm going to be using today is the December highlights kit from Sammy Doodle. This is formatted for this planner, so I'm super excited about that. I also have here the kit for the monthly as well, which comes with these sheets, and then also you can do again, date headers, labels, date dots, appointment labels, and then lots of scripts as well. All right, so let's go ahead and dig in. What's really cool about Sammy Doodle Designs, I think I mentioned this before, but it's one sheet, which is awesome. So it goes down on one swoop, all the circles all at once. All right, and then the rest of this, we've got this red washi for down here. Yeah, so November has been super busy. I have been like obsessed with decluttering every single thing in my house and like really minimizing it. And then also like work has been insane the past couple weeks, but I think it's gonna start leveling off a little bit here. But stuff has just been nuts lately. Just hasn't left me, enough time as much as I would like to do planner videos. So I am hoping that, like I said, things will level off here and then I can get back to doing videos a little bit more often. But I think also it's just like the holiday season, like with anything, it just gets busier around the holidays because there's more to do. And the bummer is that we don't have hockey stuff to do anymore because Minnesota here is on what they're calling a pause, which includes no youth sports for a little while, 4 weeks specifically, and then we'll see and reevaluate. By we, I mean people way more important than I am. I'm glad I don't have to make those decisions, right? Oh my gosh, that would be tough. I do feel grateful that we just need to carry out whatever people are deciding and just do our best to stay safe. All right, enough of that bummer of a conversation. Let's get back to the stickers. All right, I'm gonna try these. Wesley stole, again, my other tweezers and he doesn't know what happened to them. And these are a backup pair, but the little prongy things don't quite work as well. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna do goals along the top. So something that I mentioned over on Instagram that I'm trying this month for December is I'm gonna put my big goals in the big planner. So basically the results of what I'm trying to achieve. And then I'm putting the smaller, like more attainable daily or like mini habits in my tiny planner. So mini habits in the mini planner. I know, I think I'm a genius, but then those smaller like daily habit goals will tie into the bigger goals in the bigger planner. So that's what I'm going to try this month and see how I like it. Here is the A5. So here's how I filled out the A5, the similar circles. So what I'm doing for December is I want to connect my zones. That's my heart rate monitor. Just connect it one time every day. And so the idea with a mini habit is that it's so super small and super easy that you can do it every single day, no matter what. So if you're sick, if something's going on, if you're super busy, at least you can do the mini habit and kind of build up the habit and build a streak. And so that's my mini habit. Whereas the bigger goal that I'm going to write in here is to, work out more. So that's kind of what that one is. So the next one is morning water. So I just want to drink water every day, just 1 glass of water before I get to coffee, because usually what I do is coffee is like the first anything I drink in the day, and I don't think that's good. So my bigger goal is going to be to start to build a better morning routine. And so those two goals, like just for as an example, like work out more is not really measurable, attainable. It's not a SMART goal, but it's kind of the big idea. And so usually what I'll probably do is go the other way, right? I'll put the big goal first and think, okay, what's a mini habit to attach to it? And I might stick with these for a while. So the idea with the mini habit is you stick with it for as long as you need to until it is no longer something you even think about or worry about. You just naturally do it. And so these might stick around for a few months. We'll see. So that's going to be this one. And then the next one is to read 1 page or 1% if I'm doing a book on the Kindle. And so I just want to read more. Like, I'm not really reading very much, but I do like it. And I think that this is going to be a good goal for this little mini habit here. All right, so I'm going to write those in next and then go down from there. So that's looking good so far for the monthly highlights. I'm sure I will add things later, but just want to get the stickers down so that as things come to me, I can continue to fill it in, and all the decorations already down. So that looks great. Let's move on to the monthly pages. So this is looking pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on, I have the December holidays from Sammy Doodle Designs as well. And I think it's really cool how she put the date next to each of them so that you kind of know when they are. So I'm going to stick those in there. I really like how this turned out in November. I'll just show you real quick what that looked like. So here's November and all of the dates. So I think that's going to look really cute again this month as well. All right, so National Pie Day is the 1st. I think that is amazing. What's next? Let's see. The 2nd is Special Education Day. 4th is National Cookie Day. I'm all about that. That will definitely be happening. On the 8th, we have National Brownie Day. The 10th is the first day of Hanukkah. I think that's really cool. It has it here too, but we'll put it a sticker because it looks cool. And then let's see, I'm trying to go in order as much as I can. So the 12th is Gingerbread House Day. The 15th is National Cupcake Day. I feel like there was a Vanilla Cupcake Day in November, so the cupcakes just keep on coming. Okay, so I have no problem with that whatsoever. I will eat cupcakes every month, you know, because I have to, because it's a special day. Okay, so what else? So the 17th is National Maple Syrup Day, and I need to leave a little room because it's also my birthday. So many reasons to love December. Okay, so National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. It's on the 18th, and my ugly Christmas sweater did make the declutter cut, so I still do have it. Super fun. Okay, what else? We've got Christmas Eve, of course. It's on the 24th. And then let's see, on the 26th, National Candy Cane Day, and that actually is also my mom's birthday, so I'll leave some space there as well. And then we have New Year's Eve, of course. On the 31st. All right, this is looking pretty cool. I will go in later and do like birthdays and maybe put some little goals for the month or like to-dos, things like that if I need to, but this looks really cool. It is all set up. So that is the monthly setup. So I sometimes use this for podcast planning. I don't know if I'm going to this month. I probably will because it's a great sheet for that. It's a really nice working page and it's top of mind as well. So probably will put that in. Otherwise, yeah. that is it. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me and taking a look at these beautiful stickers. And thanks again, Sammy Doodle Designs. I love that there are stickers for this big planner. So loving it so much. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, a great week, great December, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.